Hey everyone, today, we're talking about Ford code P0301, that's a misfire in cylinder number 1. I'll walk you through the most common causes I've seen over the years, and more importantly, how to fix them. 1. Faulty spark plugs. Most of the time, a misfire like this is caused by worn or fouled spark plugs. Over time, they just can't ignite the fuel-air mix properly. How to fix it? Replace the plugs with new ones that match your Ford specs. Stick with trusted brands, cheap plugs can cause even more issues later on. 2. Damaged ignition coil. Ignition coils generate the high voltage your spark plugs need. When a coil fails, you get a weak or no spark at all, and that triggers a misfire. How to fix it? Swap the coil with one from another cylinder and see if the misfire follows. If it does, replace it. If the coils are aging, consider replacing all of them. 3. Clogged or faulty fuel injector. A fuel injector that's dirty or failing can starve cylinder 1 of fuel, causing a misfire. How to fix it? Start with a fuel injector cleaner. If that doesn't solve it, remove the injector and clean or replace it. 4. Vacuum leak. A vacuum leak near cylinder 1 can throw off your air-fuel ratio, creating a lean condition that causes a misfire. How to fix it? Use a smoke machine or carb cleaner to find the leak. Then, replace the cracked hose or faulty gasket. 5. Low compression. If you're still getting P0301 after checking the basics, it might be a compression issue. That could mean worn piston rings, bad valves, or even a cracked cylinder head. How to fix it? Perform a compression test. If the numbers are low, you may need valve work, piston ring replacement, or in extreme cases, an engine rebuild. 6. Wiring problems. Sometimes, the issue isn't the component, it's the wiring. Damaged wires or corroded connectors can cut off power to the coil or injector. How to fix it? Inspect the wiring harness, clean all connectors, and replace any wires that look worn, frayed, or corroded. And that's how you solve a Ford code P0301, from simple spark plugs to serious engine work. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your experience or questions.